You've watched every possible video on YouTube, but never found yourself a shortcut. Here's the ultimate shortcut.
Ich helfe aus, diesmal auf Englisch. Roses are red, violets are blue. I show you how you do manual, because he's cool.
An expert is someone who has made every possible mistake in his field. Here are some mistakes, so you can decide whether you want to make them or not. Just grab your bike. As you know, I always clean my bike after every ride and then just go. There's basically only one key element to the manual. You have to choose whose style you want to go for. Danny McAskill,
DJ Brand, or Ethan Nell.
If energy drinks aren't enough for you, there's another key tip. You have to pull on your arms and pull harder. Keep your arms bent. Click pedals are perfect for manuals because no pain, no gain. For better balance, make sure you look at your back wheel. To balance side-to-side movements, just turn your bar. If you're a little more advanced, just ask one of your mates.
Now my young Padawan is trying to use the sword.
Of course I can't manual, I only have a giant and not a canyon like Fabio Wittmer. If you're a little bit better, ask one of your mates to make balancing a little bit more difficult. Fun aside, there are only a few keys to the manual. Everything else is just unnecessary detail helping you procrastinate. You have to shift your weight down and back, straighten your arms, push down on your heels. If your front drops, shift your weight back and straighten your legs. If the front is too high, shift your weight forward and bend your knees. And finally, balance side-to-side movements with your knees.